Hello guys, today I'll be unboxing the QI Pro Core Magnetic version, the 2x2. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's keep the cube aside and unbox this adjusting tool. Okay, for this, you can use it like in the middle and adjust. Okay, now let's keep this aside. And this is the manual, like the tutorial of how to solve it. Okay, now let's see the things. Oh yeah, the adjusting manual. Okay. Let's keep this inside and close it. Now let's see the cube. Okay, it's a very good cube. Now let's do a solve. 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, it's a very good cube actually. Okay, even the corner cutting is very good. Okay, now let's adjust the cube once. Let me open the box. Okay, so here inside this here, like these knobs there, you take this and you can adjust. Let me see it. Oh yeah, got it. Okay, if you do this all to all of the sides, you can set up your cube and use it. So it's a very good cube and I recommend to buy it.